Welcome back, it's Jab Anima back again. Let's talk about how to download a texture and implement it into Blender. So let's get to Blender right now. Make sure you're in the Cycles engine. Make sure you have the Node Wrangler activated. If you don't, check my video fixing the world. We're going to delete Mr. Cube, press Shift A, add in a plane, add in a light, turn our light up a little bit and move it up. Now we can go to Polyhaven, download any of these textures, and once we bring it into our computer, we're going to have to extract it because it's in a zip file. If your Windows doesn't have this option to extract, you'll need to go to one of these websites and download their software. Now we can click on our plane, move to the shading tab, click new material, let's call it floor, and we'll click on our principled BSDF, hold Ctrl Shift T. This will allow us to import our textured materials. We can go into textures. We're going to highlight everything and click on Principled Texture Setup. Blender will set everything up for us. We want to be able to see the texture a little bit, so let's go to our normal map and adjust it so we can see the texture. And last, let's bring in a color ramp into our roughness noodle so we can adjust that. And just like that, our texture is ready to go. And that's it for today, guys. Check me on YouTube, Twitter, or Instagram. I'll see you there.